I believe freedom isn't a destination. It's a lifestyle you live into, one decision at a time. If you've ever felt like you're doing all the right things, but still not living the life you want, or like freedom is always just someday away, you're not alone. I started this channel to document what it really looks like to build lifestyle and financial freedom while juggling real life, not escaping it. Because the truth is, lifestyle and financial freedom aren't things that you just stumble across. It's something you design through systems, mindset, and intentional change. Welcome to my channel, LyfStyled. I'm Ivy K, just a nerd dressed like a mom with 15 years of experience in finance. I'm now using that same knowledge to build lifestyle and financial freedom without burnout, hustle, or waiting for someday, and sharing the blueprint in real time. I'm not here because I've figured it all out. I'm here because I'm figuring it out, and I'm keen to share the lessons, mindset shifts, and small but meaningful changes I'm making to build a life that feels free, aligned, and totally mine. I create across 3 segments. Living Lifestyled. This one is for you. Every week I share financial lessons on financial freedom, mindset, and lifestyle freedom, so you can grow with me, not just watch me. LyfStyled Flow. This one is for me. A creative playground where I can do vlogs, visual diaries, artistic experiments, and it's where I create with no rules, just my heart. Then I have the third one, which is LyfStyled for Life. This one's for life. A space for deeper messages such as conversations on legacy, humanity, and hope. Because some things just need to be said, even if they don't trend. And right now, I'm in the middle of something big. The 90-day Freedom Build Challenge. A raw, transparent journey to build a portion of my lifestyle and financial freedom before our second child arrives. Now that you know what LyfStyled is all about, don't stop here. Watch this video next. It's the one my subscribers say completely changed the way that they think about savings, planning, and living with intention. And if you're already thinking about your next chapter in life, this tool will help you plan for it without quitting your job or burning out in the process. I've also left the link to that tool in the description down below. You're in the right place to build a life that feels as good as it looks. Subscribe by pressing the button down below, and let's start building freedom your way.